Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized trail that is dissolving like this. So it looks cool and this is very simple to create. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment, and let's start this. So first I'll create a label and just a gray color. So I'll take first exponent for gray, and that's it. Okay, and now I'll just create a Niagara fountain FX, and I'll drag into the viewport. Okay, so this is on the 0, and if I'm moving, it is trail, but it has velocity, so I can just delete these velocities